Welcome, Mr. Slot Car Room. Welcome to Tyco Tuesday. Today we're going to do the final Tyco S that I have. It's a red Cheetah. Tyco S, as you can see. And it's the final one. I've done the blue Cheetah, both Mako Sharks, and all the other ones that I have. And this is the very last one that I have. And I'll bring it around here and we'll get started on it. This here's the Mako Shark from 1967. There she is right there, number 17. And over on this page over here, Cheetah 17, Cheetah from 1967. S636, candy blue, candy red. This is the candy red one. I did the candy blue one already. And I have the blue and red shark. I don't have the violet or the red and white shark. Has a driver in it and no one in the passenger seat, and it's missing their other chrome tail light. Let's put her on a dyno and see what she does. About 65. $77, $78, $79, get $80 out of it. Nope. Alright, let's take her apart and then we'll put a little oil on it. Looks like she's got enough oil on it. What the heck happened to my rag? We'll put a little drop on it. Spray the body with Novus. Shine it up a little bit. This thing's about 1 year younger than I am. Made in '67. Hurry. Not too bad. Alright, let's take this bad boy over to the track and take it for a test drive. Not too bad, 2 full laps and no spin outs or wrecks. Not too bad. Yeah, she hugs real nice. Has newer tires all the way around. They're not silicone. I'm not sure what they are. But she hugs real nice. Yeah. Oh, almost. It's got a little squirrely there. Straighten itself out. There you go. Come off there. Not too bad. Equivalent to a T-Jet, I'd say. There you have it, a red Mako shark. Well, there you have it, folks. Candy red Mako shark. Pretty cool car. I think these Mako sharks are pretty darn cool. Cheetah. It's not a Mako shark, it's a cheetah. I got Mako shark on the brain. Mako shark are they're a Corvette. It's a prototype for a Corvette. Taken to car shows. And made just 1 year. And this here is a Cheetah. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe the same thing. Maybe the same thing. Maybe a Corvette. I'm not sure. The engine's in the front, so I'm not sure what it is. Just a Cheetah, I guess. If you know what it is, put it down in the comments. Somebody said something in the last video. Somebody told me what it is. I don't remember, because I don't remember shit. I don't remember shit. Appreciate you guys coming in. If you're not subscribed, I don't know why you're not. It's free. It's free. Free. It's one of the few things you get in life for free. Subscribe. Watch for free. Hit the bell. Get notified. You know, this bell here. Get notified. I'll tell you when I'm putting out a video. Yes, sir. And, yeah, leave me a message down in the chats. Comment about the video. Don't say hi to your pal, because I will delete it. Just tell me what you think of that car. And I appreciate you guys all coming in. And I will catch you guys Friday for Thank God It's Tyco Friday. This is another Tyco Tuesday in the book. We'll catch you guys later. Goodbye.